Deserted streets curl around shattered plaster, and wind carries the chalky dust of a town that woke to silence and never woke again. Newspaper clippings flutter from a battered kiosk, headlines recounting a sudden exodus, a population erased overnight as the hills kept their quiet verdict. Eyewitness accounts speak of sudden bells that refused to toll, of doors that swung shut on their own, and of paths that led nowhere. Last known footage shows sunlit courtyards overgrown with thistles, a lone violin lingering in the air, then static that swallows memory. As the camera fades, a final message whispers of loss and deeper questions, leaving the audience to question the cost of unsaid histories.